Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a brand new way to redeem DramaBox gift codes in 2025. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. If you've ever wondered how to get free gifts in DramaBox, this is the ultimate guide for you. First, make sure you have your gift code ready. Once you do, open up your DramaBox app on your mobile device. Easy so far, right? Next, look for your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your personal dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the gifts section. This is where you'll enter your gift code. Simply type in your code carefully and hit redeem. Well, in just a few seconds, you'll receive your free gifts directly in your DramaBox account. It's that simple. No tricks, no extra steps, just redeem and enjoy. And that's it. A super quick and easy way to make the most out of your DramaBox experience in 2025. If you run into any issues or have questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll make sure to help you out. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your favorite apps. Happy gifting!